Hello and welcome everyone. In this video, we are going to cover the book Cracking the Coding Interview, and we are going to look at a question from the chapter Arrays and Strings. So let's look at the problem statement. So the problem statement says that we have been given a string and we have to check if it's a permutation of a palindrome. So let's understand what does it mean by permutation and a palindrome. So permutation means that arrangement of characters in a string to form another string. So let's suppose you have a string ABC, various permutations of it can be BAC, BCA, CBA, and so on. And what is a palindrome? Palindrome means that when you read a string from the start and from the end, it reads the same. So radar is a palindrome because when you read it from here or when you read it from here, it looks the same. Now, if we come back to the question, it says that we have been given a string and we have to check if it's a permutation of a palindrome. So in the first example, RARDA can be converted to radar to form a palindrome, hence it should return true. Now AALTT can be converted to ALTTLA, hence it should also return true. Now this third example can be converted to CREAERC, which will be a palindrome, hence true. Now the fourth example is code which cannot be converted into a palindrome and hence it should return false. So before jumping straight to the solution, you can ask some clarifying questions from the interviewer, like what will be the input type? Will it contain ASCII characters or Unicode characters? So let's assume for the sake of this question, it only contains lowercase English characters. That means only 26 letters. So now let's proceed to the solution. Since the question says that we have to arrange a string such that it can be formed as a permutation, so the basic solution can be we can find out all the permutations of a string, and for each permutation we check whether it's a palindrome or not. So for example, here RDA is the actual string, and if we find all the permutations of it and we compare each permutation that whether it's a palindrome or not. So when we come to this permutation, it will return true because this is a palindrome. So the time complexity of this solution would be n factorial to find the permutation, and for each permutation find whether it's a palindrome or not. So this is not at all an optimized solution and we can look for further solutions. Now the second solution can be to use hash map. So if we notice a property of a palindrome, all the letters must be even and at most one letter can be present odd number of times. For example, here R and R is present 2 times, A and A is present 2 times, and D is present 1 time. Here each element is present 1 time, hence it cannot be formed as a palindrome. Here C is present 2 times, R is present 2 times, E is present 2 times, and A is present 1 time. Here A is present 2 times, L is present 2 times, T is present 2 times. So if we take an example where more than one element is present odd times, then it cannot form a palindrome. For example, CAR, CAR, B, D. Now here C is present 2 times, A is present 2 times, R is present 2 times, B is present 1 time, and D is present 1 time. Hence it cannot form as a palindrome. So if we form a hash map and iterate through the hash map to see how many elements are present even number of times and how many elements are present odd number of times, if we find more than one element which is present odd number of times, then that string cannot be formed as a palindrome. Otherwise, it can be formed as a palindrome. So the time complexity of this solution would be order of n because we iterate through the string to form a hash map, and the space complexity would also be order of n because we are creating a hash map to maintain the frequency of the characters. But since here all the letters are lowercase, hence this n would be at max 26, and hence the space complexity would be order of 1. Now let's look at the third solution. So the third solution is using bit vectors. If you think deeply about this problem, we might notice that we don't actually need to maintain the count of each character. We just have to know that whether the character is repeated even number of times or odd number of times. So this is similarly to flipping a light, and if the light ends up in off state, we actually don't know how many times we flip the light, but we know that it was an even count. So since we have taken input as the English lowercase characters, which means 26 characters, so we can maintain 26 bits in an integer, and whenever we encounter a character, we flip that bit position, and at the end we check how many bits are on in that integer. So if there are two more than one position which are on, then it cannot be formed as a palindrome. So let's take an example. Here ABC BC can be formed as a palindrome by BCA CB. Now if we assume that A is present at 0th position, B is present at 1st position, and C at 2 position, when we encounter A, we flip it. When we encounter B, we flip it. When we encounter C, we flip it. And when we encounter B again, we flip it to 0. And when we encounter C, we flip it to 0. Now, we have read the entire string, and if we see, there is only one position which is set. Hence, it can be formed as a palindrome. If it would have been A, B, C, B, C, D, then this position would also be set. Hence, two positions would be set, and this would return false. The time complexity of this solution is order of n, because we have to iterate the string to set the and unset the bits. I hope you have understood all the solutions and their trade-offs. Thank you. I have attached the link of the GitHub code in the description section below. Please feel free to provide your inputs or suggestions in the comment section below. Thank you.